Hey guys, this is Harshita. So guys, today I'm going to be reviewing about Biotique Travel Kit. So what does this travel kit include is basically a face wash, toner, moisturizer, sunscreen, body wash and shampoo and conditioner. So let's get started. So guys, first thing first, let me talk about Biotique Bio Honey Gel Face Wash. Yes, so this product claims to dissolve your makeup impurities, soften down your skin and lighten down your complexion. Now about lightening down the complexion, it doesn't. And yes, it does dissolve makeup but up to some extent, and it remove impurities and soften down your skin. So one thing that I want to tell you is that Biotique has not mentioned all of their ingredients but only their key ingredients, which is a bummer actually. It has also mentioned that it is organically pure, preservative free, dermatologist tested for safety, no animal testing. So it is cruelty free, which is a very good thing. So I've used this face wash several times. It is a very good face wash. It is a mild formula and it does not create a lather, which is a good thing. So overall you can totally buy this product. It's awesome. So guys, next we are going to talk about Biotique Bio Cucumber Toner. So guys, this is a pore tightening toner for normal to oily skin. And what does it claims is basically to tighten down your pore, refreshes and bring complexion to your perfect pH balanced skin. Yeah. As much as I love their face wash, I hate this product. There is a reason behind it. Whenever I open this bottle, what all I smell is rubbing alcohol. So ultimately I want to say that it does not work for my skin. If it work for your skin, very good, but it does not work for mine. Guys, if you have bought this product and it doesn't work for you, you can use it as a mist, not on your face but a body mist. You can take about half of this product, mix it with equal amount of distilled water and put it in a spray bottle, and you can use it as a body mist. Guys, the next thing I'm going to talk about is Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. It is for all skin types. So I used to love this product. Trust me, I used to love this product so much. It has a very light formula, like very light formula. See, it absorbs into the skin quickly. So guys, what I don't like about this product is it has so much fragrance in it. Like if I'm applying it right now, the fragrance will be long lasting for about up to 1 hour 2 hour. And if you don't mind its fragrance, it is a very good product. It does the job. It moisturizes your skin and leave your skin super smooth and supple. Yeah, so that's my opinion on this product. So guys, next I'm going to talk about Biotique Bio Sandalwood SPF 50 plus with UVA UVB sunscreen ultra soothing face lotion. So yeah, it has UVA and UVB. I don't know how many people you know about this. UVA stand for aging and B stand for burning. So guys, there are two chemicals that protect your skin from sun, which are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, and I don't see anywhere where it is written titanium dioxide, and hence it is proved that they have not mentioned all of the ingredients. I don't know why they have not mentioned, but yeah, if you want to buy a sunscreen, just look out for these two chemicals. So guys, whether I like this product or not, yes, I do like this product, and I do like the fact that it has SPF 50 in it. So guys, have you wondered that what is SPF 50, 30 and something? If it has SPF 50, that means it will work up to 4 to 5 hours. If it is SPF 30, it will work for around 2 to 3 hours. And overall thing, I like this sunscreen. So guys, I also want to share some interesting fact about sunscreen, that uh, in a cricket match, have you ever saw a cricketer putting a strip of something on their face? That strip is actually pure zinc oxide, which contains about a SPF of 100 which helps them to protect their skin from sun damage. So guys, next is Biotique Bio Apricot Refreshing Body Wash. It is 100% soap free, just like the face wash. What does it claim? It cleanses, softens, bring out body's natural brightness. Okay guys, so actually I love this product. I love the smell of this product. The reason behind it is basically last year I went to Mumbai, and the hotel which I stayed in had these tiny bits, has the tiny bottle of body wash, and whenever I open this bottle and smell the fragrance of it, it smells like I'm in Mumbai. So yeah, that's why I love this body wash. But other than that, it is a good body wash. It cleans down your skin and soften down your skin. But guys, the last thing is Biotique Bio Green Apple Fresh Daily Purifying Shampoo and Conditioner for oily scalp and hair. Guys, I have used all of the product. I just loved it so much. I have oily scalp, and it clears out the oily scalp and make my hair oil free for up to 3 to 4 days. So yeah, if you want to buy an affordable shampoo, so do try this one out. So guys, that is it for today, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Bye.